I read somewhere that you can use toothpaste to restore cloudy or smoky looking headlights, so I thought I'd give it a try and see if it works. First, I'm starting with toothpaste and a toothbrush. If you'd like to protect your paintwork, it's probably a good idea to mask around the headlamps. I didn't do it because I'm just going to try to be careful and obviously not rub the toothpaste into the paint, as it is abrasive. Put the toothpaste over the headlamp and rub it in. This toothpaste isn't very gritty, so I'm adding some baking soda. It might be better to mix this up as a paste first so it's less messy. I just kind of thought about this afterwards. Now I'm taking a wet sponge and wiping it all off, trying to be careful not to rub the paste into the paintwork. Finally, rinse off with water and dry it off. And it seems to work pretty good. Might need to do this again just to get it even more shiny.